For this tutorial, I'll show you how to add automatic subtitles to a video in CapCut, making video content more accessible and engaging. To do this, open CapCut and select the desired video from your library. Deselect the clip to ensure full access to text functionalities. In the text menu, find the option for auto captions, which can be generated from the video's audio or a voiceover track. Set the spoken language for anything you please or let CapCut automatically detect it for you. Choose from several subtitle templates, some are free and others are premium, to match your video's style and tone. Tap on the Generate button to process your video, which may take a few moments. Once done, your subtitles will appear perfectly synced with your video's audio, enhancing accessibility and engagement.